Hello, good morning. My name is Kasia Pietrzak-Kubiak. We are the manufacturer of isolators. We call it in Poland isolators or frame boxes or Bahnwabentasche in German, as I know. Because our isolators are present both in Poland and many other countries, we would like to talk a bit more about the technical details, and I'd like to show you what it's about. We've been making isolators for something like 10 years already, and we are still improving the quality. I think that yesterday we reached the final stage of improvements, and basically our isolators are, let's say, undamageable, I guess. So what's important in our isolator is that it's made, it's very tough, it's durable, it's top quality materials, and finishing. At the beginning we were making the isolators from 5 separate parts: the wall, bottom, another wall, and the sides. All of them were welded with welding, and with the time we realized how bad welding is for the galvanized steel. It's difficult to weld and it's not very durable. That's why we replaced the construction. Instead of 3 different elements, we prepared one long element, which is the very long queen excluder that we bend in 3 parts. And that's why we just receive the one box from one long element. Then we added the sides and replaced the welding points with the stainless rivets. For the small isolator we use 4 rivets per side. For the taller ones we use more, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, so all the isolator is combined with rivets. Now at the final stage what we prepared is the top finishing bar, also replaced welding points with rivets. We have 1, 2, 3 rivets at the side, and that's why the item is basically lasting forever, I would say. For this we of course have a cover that we don't need to use the beams. Talking about durability, let's make a test. Let's drop it accidentally and see what happens. Oh. What happened? Nothing happened. So I hope this is a proof for the quality. Because we do the isolators for different markets, we have of course different sizes. This is for the very small frame, and this is for one frame, of course. This is for the Zander frames, which are widely used in Germany, in Austria, in Switzerland. So this is the most popular isolator that we sell for the German markets. This is for the 2 frames. And what we also have is a Mini Plus. Looks nice. It's a Mini Plus isolator for the Mini Plus frames, for 2 frames as well. And here will be the Italian isolator for Dadant frame. And this is a sample for the customer who doesn't have a very even beehives. That's why he requested that the cover is closed from all sides, so he can put it to different sizes of hives, not risking the mother escaping. We were also asked by the customers for the stainless steel isolator. We did the sample. This is the sample from the quality stainless steel. You see how it shines. It's possible to make. However, so far we just did few samples because of the cost of the material, and the cost of the whole item would be, we think, very, very high. And otherwise, the galvanized steel that we use in our standard product is also a top quality. The materials, both steel and the wire, is coming from the certified EU distributors and EU manufacturers. One more word about the isolator. This is another example. It looks more or less the same. However, this is the isolator for the queen introduction. When you put the new queen to the hive, you just put one frame with the mother and a few bees of the mother. You put it here, you close it tightly, close it tight, then you put it to the hive, and the construction is that through this excluder there is no bee passing through, no mother, no any other bee. So over the couple of days the bees can get familiar with the mother. That after a few days you just take it out. So as I mentioned, we sell the isolators both to Poland, which is now thousands of them yearly, but it's also very, very popular in Austria, in Germany, that it's also dozens of thousands that we sell yearly. But we also sell to other countries like Great Britain or Latvia, and we have requests from also countries so far like New Zealand that we were sending recently. And if you need to know more about the technical details, then please send us the question. Thank you.